Hey, real estate investors. So we are here now with it fully staged, and I want to show you the final results of why you should highly consider staging your investment property. This turned out absolutely gorgeous. As you could guys remember, the beeping of the smoke alarms in just a little bit ago, the pictures of it, the darkness, the feel of it, as far as it just no electric in here, the dinginess. We now have planters in here. We have chairs, things on the kitchen counters, books, cookbooks open. Just a lot of very simple decorations that just make this home pop. Things on the walls there that just make it just glow. We even have some air fresheners in here as well, just to give a little bit of freshness and air. So there was a lot of things that went into this. So I'm going to give you, again, I apologize if you were in this conversation, but I want to give you the full background. So we listed this home about 6 months ago, and this home had a tenant in. The tenant was not interested in letting too many people through, and okay, fine, whatever. They ended up moving out of the home, and totally fine. But they moved out, and so the home was empty. So it was clean. It wasn't bad. It was relatively pretty nice, but it was empty. And we didn't get any offers. So we ended up, then that truck driver took down the power lines, and it was no electric in here for a month. It was showing poorly. So we took it off the listings for over Christmas and a couple of weeks there. During that time, we had a general cleaner come in here, clean the home, and then we brought in a stager. So cleaning the home was, somewhere about $400 or so to clean the home. The stager was about $3,200. So all in all, it was somewhere between $3,600 here to absolutely stage this home. It looks great. So today is a Wednesday, and last night we accepted an offer on this property. And they didn't stage all the rooms. This is one of the rooms they didn't stage. They didn't put anything in here. They didn't do anything, but they staged the master bedroom there. They staged the downstairs, and they staged up here on the third floor. Pretty cool to have a little planter there. Give it a little pop, whatever you want to call that. And so last night we accepted an offer. Again, just pictures on the walls, flower pots, even though they're fake, in here, putting towels on the towel bar just to give a little flair to it, a little, make it look natural, a little chair, that kind of thing. It just goes a long way. Look at that, bookshelves with little flowers, pottery. That's awesome. So the reason I'm bragging this up is we had lowered it to $279,900. We had an offer like under $250 for it, and previously, and so we listed it and accepted an offer last night. We had 4 offers on it. We listed it Monday morning. By Tuesday evening, we had a deadline for offers, which was last night, and we accepted an offer. Now, we had it listed at $279,900. We got it under contract for $306,500. We made $26,500 on this deal because we staged the property. And the buyers that ended up buying this property could have gotten it for a lot less if they would have just looked past the dreariness or the darkness of no electricity. But this looks great. So there will be an inspection. So there may be some requests coming back for repairs or this or that, which is totally fine. At this point, we got an offer that's $26,000 higher than what we were expecting. We spent about, again, $3,500 or so to get this property ready to go. They did an excellent job. And so guys, when you're thinking of listing a home that's empty, whether it's your personal property or an investment property, and it's empty, I would highly recommend consider spending that extra $3,000 to $4,000 on a staging, and depending on how much you want, and just look at what you can do with that. Now, maybe it's part of the market. Maybe it was just, we're after the new year now, and maybe it was just part of the market here in 2023. But when you start talking about making an extra couple $26,000, or you could say $23,000 of profit, this is a pretty big deal. It's worth your time and effort and energy to get this kind of thing. So huge shout out to those who did the staging here in Lancaster. Here we go. Ambience by Adair. Did an awesome job. It's a great job by her. And the team here. And so if you're interested in investing in anything, interested in investing in real estate, interested in selling your property, maybe it's a primary property, maybe it's an investment property, talk to us, the Peak Asset Team. We'd love to help you to maximize your profits, maximize your income, and maximize your net worth through real estate. So highly consider this. Super excited about the way this turned out, and they just did an excellent job by this team. So if you're thinking of selling your property, consider staging your home, especially if it's vacant, especially if it's an opportunity like this. It's a nice home. It's a nice property to begin with. Consider staging it. It'll add value. So keep on investing.